Hello, 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 and welcome back to another Cruisin with Corey. We are out here. Basically, we're not doing a challenge today, but we kind of are. It is a Tuesday morning right now, which is probably the worst possible time to ever do gig work. But we got some errands to do after lunch today around 1. It's about 9 o'clock right now, so we got to see how much money we can make in 3 hours. Now, we have a couple things that aren't good that are going to go against us. Of course, one being that my Doordash zone is gray and invisible.
Huh?
Invisible? Invisible? Oh. Spark is just throwing us the garbage out from the second story window out here. There's just nothing worth doing. Oh, actually, there's something worth doing. 15 miles for $42. I think I'm gonna take it. I feel like I have to take it. I don't know. I'm gonna keep debating my life on that. But yeah, we'll see what we can do here. We are growing subscribers here pretty quickly here on the channel. We're almost at 200. Which is petty, but seeing as I started at like 40, you know, getting almost to 200, we're having fun here. So, but yeah, we're pulling into my area. I almost said my Walmart because I own Walmart. We're pulling into my zone that I usually chillax in, and we'll see what happens. I hope I don't leave with a goose egg. The one goal I have is to not leave with a goose egg, so let's try to at least negate that, but I'll let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all. Alright, we just took our first order. I mean, it's not a banger. It's a no-tip shop, but it's $19. 13 items going to an apartment that's kind of close. It's going to cause me to miss round robin, but I don't really focus on that, so... It started off as $12, and I played the surge game on it and got it up to 19, which I'm very surprised. So there must not be a lot of people out today, because even in this climate, people will take no-tip shops for less than that. So should be 3 minutes in the store at most. It's very easy items. So we'll just go bang this out, make a quick 20 bucks, or 19.36 to be specific. So let's go. All right, we are on our way. We got 3 miles, about 8 minutes to the customer. Not my best shopping job ever. It took me 4 minutes to shop that.
You're too slow.
Which, it was 13 items, but they were so close. I should have been done in 2 minutes. I was just, you know, I got the weekend fog still in my brain there, because I was just a little bit slower than I would like to be. But... oh yeah, we did have something happen yesterday. I thought about bringing the camera along with me, but it was too similar to my other video. I got another banger on Uber yesterday. It originally came up as $49 for a shopping order for 39 items at the Shaw's grocery store. I turned it down because, you know, risk it for the biscuit, and it went up to this, $62. Which I've shopped this lady's order a million times, well, probably like 20. So I know her, I know what she gets. And she always orders very easy things, like nothing super yuppie branded or anything like that. So that was a good 50-minute job for 62 bucks. The only thing that went wrong, the only thing, was that I got to checkout and I didn't have my Uber One card. I lost it, and I can't find it absolutely anywhere. So unfortunately, I did have to pay with my own money, and I'm still waiting for a reimbursement on it. Chuck tells me that on his videos, he says that whenever he pays for his own orders, he gets paid within the hour. Not so much the case. Maybe it's because the amount is a lot higher. It was like $200 worth of groceries instead of like $20 of food. But I did have to order a new Uber One card. But this is also something else that's stupid.
Oh, Here we go again.
If you have an Uber One card, or an Uber Pay card, whatever they call it, Uber Plus card, I think they call it. If you have a physical one, you will forever and only have a physical Uber Pay card. If you have a digital Uber One card, or Uber Pay card, whatever the hell it's called, you will always and forever only have a digital card. Uber is not smart enough to let you have both. Because if I just had the digital one, I'd have it on my Apple Watch. And I went through support. I talked like to 10 support agents, because you know how Uber support is. And I was finally given that answer directly, that they can't give you, it's one or the other. They can't switch you, and they can't give you both. What you get in the beginning is what you get forever. So we will not have any paying orders until I get a new one in. So that's the topic. Always remember to have your cards on you if you don't want to go through reimbursement hoopla. But that's enough rambling. I might have to ramble because I don't feel like this is going to be a busy video, but whatever. Let's go drop this off and move on.
A few moments later.
Can't make this shit up, folks. Literally just in me doing that rant. I don't know if it'll zoom, it'll focus. They just reimbursed me. So, go figure. So it was less than 12 hours. Uber, I take a little bit of my sass back. I still give you the sass on not giving me a digital card, but the reimbursement wasn't that bad. So, anyways, let's go again. All right, we have been waiting for a significant amount of time here. The orders are just absolutely abysmal, and there's still a couple of them on the screen right now that I can, you know, $21 for 20 miles, $14 for 12 miles, a Home Depot order, $9 for 8 miles. And I did manage to get on Doordash, but up until just now, just haven't been getting anything. But I did get this order, and if you watch the channel regularly, I didn't get a screenshot. Why? Because I suck. You get 2 bonus points if you knew that I was going to say that. But it's $10 for 3.5 miles. So it's at Panera, and we're already at Panera. So, I mean, Panera is in the Walmart Plaza, so it's absolutely no effort to get here. In fact, we are already here. So we're just gonna skip the B-roll. Maybe I'll start playing the music now, because that's Panera. So let's go get it. All right, we got that order. It was ready. I mean, we got like 3 miles. I don't think I've been to this exact customer's house, but I've been on this street 87 million times, so I know exactly where I'm going. Question for those who work at Panera. While I was in there picking up the order, I looked inside of one of their ovens. I don't know, because I used to work in restaurants for 10 years, so I'm nosy. And just look at the inside of the oven. A picture. Look at all the shit they have in the oven. So do they not bake anymore? Is Panera just like receiving frozen bread products and then just thawing them out, which I would not be surprised, but I'm like, there's no way they take all that stuff out of the ovens every time, bake, and then put it back. That would just be completely illogical. So if Panera doesn't bake anymore, that's actually really sad, because I used to really love that. But if you worked at Panera, or, you know, comment below. Let me know. I'm a curious fella. But let's go drop this off, and we got about an hour and a half left before we get a biz out, so we got to start cranking some money out. Let's go. So apparently I forgot to record this part, but this customer had in their notes to leave it at the door. However, it was set as a hand it to me. So I was doing a little suggestion of using the timestamp app and always taking a picture on the timestamp app to save yourself in case you get one of these scenarios. It's always good to screenshot the customer notes, take a timestamp photo, and keep it for a few days. So that's what I was doing here. All right, here, let's go do it. All right, so I'm gonna go in, timestamp. And there we go. So again, it's all just protection at the end of the day. I don't think it's gonna scam me. It's tipped $7, so. But you just always have to play it safe. That's just the world we live in these days. So I will keep those for about probably a day, 2 days, those screenshots. What do we got here? All the way out in the boonies we got an order. This is a rarity. $8.50 for 8 miles. Even being in the boonies, that's still too much. So we will head back to the zone about 3 miles or so there. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully something picks up, because we need something. Oh no! DoorDash just died on us. So now we're really up a creek right now. So Walmart, I need you, baby girl. I need you, please. Answer my prayers to the Holy One. What the hell? We're gonna pray and raise the roof?
Look, it's not that difficult. You just get up, take one hand, the other hand, and just raise the roof.
I don't know. Just give me orders. Just give me orders. Give me orders. All right, so after a lot more waiting, DoorDash never turned red. We didn't get any curbsides whatsoever, but we got a very small shop. And I've talked about these kind of orders many a time before. I would normally scoff at them, but when you look at the item list, I mean, I'll be out of the store in 5 minutes. It's a 3-mile run, so this whole order is gonna take no time at all. And seeing as I'm running out of time on my time budget today, we got to get something done. So this will put us right around $45 in 2.5 hours, which I guess isn't bad, but it's also not good. But either way, we got a pudding and jello in soup emergency, and we are the people to solve this problem. As you can see here on the item list, these people need their jello. They need their jello pudding, and we're gonna give it to them. So let's go get it. All right, that was a quick shop. We are very, very big sad now, because while we were shopping in there, we got one of the best Instacart offers I ever saw. It was a great Instacart offer. And I screened. This is the problem with being a gig person who tries to screenshot things, is in the millisecond that it took me to screenshot the order went. I had to think about it for like 5 seconds, because I am on a time crunch now. I have to be somewhere at 1 o'clock, and I'm like, if I do it, am I gonna be able to be there by 1? And in that, between taking the screenshot and making that consideration, it was gone. But that was one of the best Instacarts I've seen in a long time. But oh well, why make $85 when you can make 15, right? So yeah, let's go drop this off and most likely this will be the last one we do unless we can get something within the next few minutes. So let's go. All right, so we gave up on that. We ended up making $45-ish. I'll put the exact right here, in about 3 hours. So we only made about $15 an hour. So not a good day, but it's still better than nothing. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in to Cruisin' with Corey. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're growing this slowly, but we're having fun doing it. Let's see if we can bring some more friends along for the ride. This is Cruisin' with Corey. I'm trying to not get my kids in the shot. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.